USB design is evolving fast. From USB 3 5 gigabit per second NRZ to the most recent USB4 version 2 at 80 gigabit per second PAM3. Is your analysis workflow keeping up? The challenge is that the traditional USB analysis workflow has become slow, error-prone, and costly. The most effective tactics to get ahead of the competition are to perform end-to-end USB system analysis, work in smart and streamlined design environment, integrate accurate TX and RX AMI models. With the USB4 version 2 release, engineers are facing increasing pressure to validate multi-lane, multi-level, PAM3, asymmetric link designs while meeting compliance. If you use a traditional workflow, you will find the analysis takes too long to set up and compliance requires multiple platforms. It is difficult to get a good system-level analysis quickly. Adding the new PAM3 modulation, the old way just doesn't scale. What if you could simplify the setup, streamline compliance testing, and represent your TX and RX accurately? Introducing System Designer for USB. It's built to accelerate USB4 version 1 and version 2 design and compliance. It accurately models TX and RX, provides a smart and streamlined environment so you can create first-time right designs. Here is a closer look at the end-to-end system analysis and compliance. From the host, interconnect, repeater to the device. System Designer for USB allows you to construct and analyze the end-to-end USB link. The native connection to the compliance app enables simulation-driven virtual compliance tests, ensuring designs meet USB4 standards. How about the smart and streamlined design environment? USB setup keeps track of the data rate of different USB generations. It also knows the latest PAM3 modulation type. The smart components simplify the task of making wiring connections, reducing 40 mouse clicks to 4 clicks. USB Bus Designer helps you create transmission lines and vias so you can predict the link performance before the layout. With the different modes of the simulator, you can easily look at different signal integrity metrics in a single schematic setup. This smart workflow simplifies the setup of complex USB systems, including multi-link and asymmetric link configurations. Once the link is configured, the IBIS-AMI model builder creates accurate TX and RX models for you. The model builder supports both NRZ and PAM3 modulations. It also allows you to configure the equalization in both the transmitter and receiver. By using the AMI model builder, you can speed up your USB system implementation. If you want to reduce time to market, tackle design issues early, and innovate ahead of the competition, System Designer for USB is the right choice. Ready to see it in action? Download the latest ADS and expedite your USB system analysis.